7 ways to show your heart some love. Cooking with nutrient-rich foods such as salmon and avocado is one of several easy ways to improve your heart health. Heart disease is the no. One cause of death worldwide, and it's mostly preventable by changing your lifestyle and managing risk factors. Here are 7 ways you can prevent becoming a statistic. 1. Get moving. Your heart is a muscle, and as with any muscle, exercise is what strengthens it. The first step is to determine your target heart rate, then find an activity you enjoy and can stick with for the long run. 2. Quit smoking. Quitting smoking is tough, but you know that it's important to quit, and one of the biggest reasons is that it's linked to heart disease. 3. Lose weight. Losing weight is more than just diet and exercise. 4. Eat heart-healthy foods. Salmon and guacamole are loaded with healthy fats that are good for the heart. 5. Don't forget the chocolate. The good news: chocolate and wine contribute to heart health. 6. Don't overeat. Eating a lot of food at once leads to blood shifting from the heart to the digestive system, faster and irregular heart rhythms, which can lead to heart attack or heart failure. 7. Don't stress. There are more than 1 in 400 biochemical responses to stress, including a rise in blood pressure and a faster heart rate. If you don't manage your stress, it can create more stress and trap you in a stress cycle,